Hello everyone, my name is Dennis.
My name is Juma.
I am Jules, and we are from CMI Travel and Tourism.
Okay, stop. Okay, now let's start the interview.
Yellow boat tour 200. Then
Okay, so Dennis,
Yes.
what are we going to share today?
Okay, today we are going to share the water sport activity. Water sports activity in Dubai. Okay. Today we are going to share water sport activities in Dubai.
Okay, so what are those?
Okay, first of all we'll start with Atlantis Dolphin Scuba Dive that goes for 400 dirham. I hope this is for practice. Let's go.
that's only 15 minutes to go.
Yeah, this one is really good stuff. Okay.
As if we sit and do like
No. Fast and straight. Yeah, the ones who are. Yeah, okay. Let's go.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Serious? Okay. Okay, tell me, Dennis, what are you gonna share today?
Okay, today I'm going to share with you water sports activities in Dubai. The first one is Atlantis Dolphin Scuba Dive.
How much is that?
It goes for 400 dirham.
Okay, and then?
And we have fly fish at around 280.
Around.
At the what?
You just say it's at 200, not at around.
2, 3, go.
What if you to ask me what are you going to offer?
Okay, so what else can you offer?
It's a yellow boat tour. At 280.
Okay, and then?
Another interesting water sport in Dubai is the paddle board. And that goes for 400 dirhams.
Okay, so do you recommend these tours to everyone?
Yes, we recommend them to everyone in Dubai to take advantage of the summer and really visit the water sport activity venues that we are offering.
Then why are you not happy offering it?
We are also happy about it because it is amazing when you go there and you watch and play with it.
Like,
Bye.
don't give the time.
Water sport.
What if they want 30 minutes?
To tell you.
We give an hour.
3, go. Okay, so can you give us more activities that people can enjoy in Dubai?
Sure. Another exciting place that I recommend many people to visit is the Musandam cruise Dibba.
How much is that?
It goes for 330 dirham.
And we also have fly fish. At 220 dirhams.
Okay.
And there is also the banana boat ride. Just from the name, banana definitely in the ride have tons of bananas.
Oh, so people will enjoy, right?
Yeah.
Of course, definitely. And the good thing is that we are still in the summer. It's time to do the water activities because it's summer. We all know during the winter the water activities are not that enjoyable like now.
Because it's cold.
Yeah. Also visit our Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So when I say that, and then you give location, one gives location, physical location, enter the number. I don't know. Where's the number here?
Okay, I wanted to check.
Oh yeah, you write the number. That's the number. Okay, you give physical location. Then say website, Facebook and YouTube.
This number.
You will not say number.
Don't say number. You give location. Or you give the number and give location.
Give location, and give the number.
Okay.
Okay.
0488 and 08 123.
What?
You don't give number.
Juma.
What?
Juma, give location. Give the location.
They're not like
City Bay Business Center, opposite Double Helmet.
2, 3, go. So tell me, how are we going to book these tours?
Okay, booking these tours is very easy. You can link us up on our website www.cmitravels.com, or you can also hit us up on Facebook on the link here, and you can also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And then,
you can call us on 0488 08123.
You can find us on City Bay Business Center, opposite Abuel
okay, ready?
Always start.
Okay,
You are
1,
the only one.
Only one.
yeah.
Located at,
Wait.
We are located.
You are very excited. Wait. Okay, I'll count. 1, 2, 3, go.
We are located at 227 Office Business Center, opposite
City Bay Business Center.
City Bay Business.
You said business center. City Bay. Okay.
Okay, again. Please.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
We are located at office number 227, City Bay Business Center, opposite Abhail Metro Station, exit 2.
Thank you for watching. Once again, are you recording or it's practice?
Practice.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Dennis. You can contact me on +971.
Just say
05.
05.
Okay.
Yeah. Why are you feeling nervous?
You know, people like us, we have not been on camera before. Okay.
Okay, move here, please. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Wait. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching. Once again, my name is Dennis. Contact me on 5. Thanks for watching. Once again, my name is Dennis. You can contact me on 052 9767044.
My name is Juma. You can contact me 052 896 3326.
And I am Jules. You can contact me on 055 651 3540.
And then,
And if you don't find me in office, I just live here behind. You can come to my place. Yeah, I serve here next to Talal. There, 106, room B3. Is it
The description he just gave, fear the description because you can easily kidnap many of our hoodlums. Thank you. See you next time. Please call us.
Thank you for watching. And remember, we are off on Fridays. Please. This thing of contacting us on Fridays, we are humans, we deserve to leave the office. No, we are giving our problems. We don't have any other chance.
For the banana ride, there's free banana.
Well, this one,
Zero bananas.
yeah, Friday,
Musandam.
especially Friday. And we close our office by 7 and we open by 10. So whoever is trying to call
And
me
Saturdays,
12,
Saturdays we close at 4.
Saturdays we close at 4. So when we all close the office, yeah, even you close. Believe me, you
Sure.
don't ask me anything in the
Even
middle of
the
the
client
night.
can close the phone.
Yeah.
No need.
Even if you're booking this, don't ask me on Friday.
Let's go. Finish.
Okay. Musandam.
Okay, bye, bye, bye.
Bye.
Fly fish.
Baba, take this one.
Baba. Full.
Kalas. Here, Musandam, don't even know the location yet. Juma. No, see.